Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear students of grade 5, we have now our subject English. Subject matter is revision. We are going to revise Unit 10. I am teacher Adel Ahmed who is speaking to you. My friends, we studied 2 units, okay, with Mr. Al-Hadi. So we are going just to revise the first unit, which is Unit 9, and then next week we'll have another class of Unit 10, inshallah. So my friends, what about now playing a game? Okay. Of course, here we have 3 options, and we are going to choose the right option according to the picture. Our lesson today is, of course, about sea animals and a visit to the aquarium. The whole unit tackles this subject, frankly. So we are doing it according to the unit, according to what is within the unit. So I prepared this presentation just to be like what is in the unit. So my friends, look here, what's this? Of course, it's a crab. Excellent. Okay. And what animal is this? Look at the animal. Look at the animal, sorry. Yeah, it's a friend of human. It's the dolphin. Great, my friends. And what animal is this? Look. Yeah, it's colorful animal. It's a fish, a sea animal, of course. And here, it's a jellyfish. Just to revise the words of the sea animals. And what animal is this? It's an octopus. It's an octopus. Thank you. And this, it's a seahorse. What animal is this? The next one. Wow, it's a turtle. Great. Look here. It's a scary animal. It's a shark. And what about this animal? It's a starfish. Okay, my friend. So now I think that we revised the words of sea animals, and we are going to continue our lesson with revision, of course, as I told you. And I'm going to revise vocabulary at first. Look here, we're still inside the aquarium, inside the sea, and we are going to discuss the sentences and the sentences here. Every sentence indicates a word or tells a word. So we are going to check or choose which word is this. It's a place where you can see animals. Of course, it's an aquarium. Great. A collection of items for public display. Of course, it's an exhibition. This is the definition of every word. It's some kind of definitions, frankly. Now, to say words, okay, to say words in a low voice. Yes, like this. I'm sorry. To say words in a low voice, it's muttered. Okay, my friends? Great. Great, my friends. Okay, good job. It's an old-fashioned source of lighting or of light. It's a lantern. It's a lantern. And here, to speak very quietly. Whisper. It's whisper, of course. It's whisper, of course. Okay, my friend. Long, thin parts of a sea animal. Tentacle. Great. Okay, my friends. Great. So now we discuss some of the vocab, but I think that we have, we said a lantern. Okay. I think that It's an old fashion of lightning. Yes. And we said long thin part of sea animals are tentacles. Okay, now we revised, frankly, some of the vocab we studied in our lesson. What about going to our website? Here is, we just log on into the internet and go to word wall. Okay, my friends. And of course, we have some activities. I prepared some activities for you. Okay, you can have your own account in this website. And you can play your own games. Okay, my friends. This is, of course, when I write my activities. It's here. You can do a lot of activities, frankly, as you like. Okay, my friends. Here is, we have your activity. Let's open the cards now. And please open your book, page 96. 96. Yeah, it's a sea lily. This is the first word, and look at the pictures here. The second is a starfish. Good. The third is a lantern. The same pictures of your class book. And here is squid. Here is also, we have an aquarium, an eel. Yes. Look at this picture, because you are going to match the picture in the test or the exams, or at least to know to connect between the picture and the word. Okay, my friends? Look at the picture and the word, then try to connect between. Okay, jellyfish. And here, the last word, tentacle. You can play this in different ways, of course, like random cards, or you can check the word in different way, frankly, like this. Okay, for example, ocean, lantern, sea lily, squid, jellyfish, eel, an aquarium, starfish, and tentacle. You can play the words in different ways. Okay, so this website is a really fantastic one. It can help you in even in memorizing the words, connecting the words, joining the words, matching the words, and even in dictation. Okay, like this. I'll show you now. Look here, you have to arrange the letters like this. Okay, this is one word, and you have 6 points. Look. Okay, I'm sorry. You can, of course, I'm sorry, you have started with S. Yeah, you have 5 because I missed one by mistake, of course. So you can do your words in such perfect way. Okay, we start. If you just miss a letter, you will miss okay, the whole word. It is okay. Jelly. I'm waiting for you. Huh? Yes. And like this, fish. Yeah, F. Huh? I'm waiting. Yeah, it's really arranged. So you can use this website in different ways, and you can be frankly be happy with this website while playing the games. After discussing the vocab of the unit and revised in a hurry what was inside the unit as difficult words or difficult vocabulary, we are going to explain the grammar. So let's start explaining these. The first rule of the unit, which was passive voice. Of course, it was in the past. When we say passive, it means that we are concentrating on the not the doer, of course, of the action, but of course about the result of the action. Or when I say the coffee was served by the waiter, I'm concentrating here on what was served and not on the one who did the action. So the coffee was served by the waiter. Okay, a pizza was cooked by the chef. The police caught the thief. So I'm not concentrating on the thief, but I'm concentrating about the police. The police caught this. I'm not concentrating on the police here, but I'm concentrating on the thief. And when I say the thief was caught by the police, this is what I mean. Okay, here is the thief. I'm going to explain it in detail, frankly. Adel washed the car. So the car was washed by Adel. Here is, we have three words. Adel is a subject, washed is the verb, the car is the object. I start with the object, the car, then was washed by Adel. Yes. Here, look at the verb, because it is in the past. I bought was. Adel washed the car washed. Because here the verb is in the past. Sheila washes the car. Is it in the present? When did you find present? You bought is or are. In the past, you bought was or were. Okay? Adel washed the car. The car was washed and then by Adel. Okay? This is simply the idea of passive and active. James carries a new door. A new door is carried by James. This is in the present, not in past. Okay, my friend? And here the door is singular, so I bought is. If it is plural, I bought the doors. For example, I bought are, then the past participle. James cleaned the dishes. The dishes are cleaned. So if, of course, we are in our unit, we have only the past. Okay? Philip won the race. The race was won by Philip. Theo directed the film. The film was directed by this man, of course. The thief robbed a bank. A bank was robbed by the thief, and so on. This is the idea in simply the idea